𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗀𝘀 Curry Award Ceremony 2024 was organized in Mayfair venue in Romford on Tuesday, 26th of November 2024. This was the 8th Curry Awards in London, which was sponsored by 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀 and 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗲𝘀. London Mask and many more business associated companies participated with their families and also sponsored this great event. Bangladeshi community and diverse restaurants honor won awards for their achievement of being the best restaurant in their town due to their hard work in the maintaining the taste and family atmosphere in their restaurants. Mayors and councillors of London also participated. The aim of this award show was to appreciate the restaurant businesses in London as they play the major part in the growth of the economy in England. Jia Khan was invited to host the winners on red carpet by taking the interviews and representing 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀.
Hi everyone, I'm here with the winners of 𝗟𝗃𝘃𝗀 restaurant. Congratulations. What would you like to say?
Thank you.
What would you like to say?
So we are from Buckinghamshire. We are the 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀 team, and we are one of the best Indian restaurants in Buckinghamshire, and we specialize for the South Indian cuisine.
Well, thank you very much. Enjoy your victory. I'm sure your restaurant must be family restaurant and a restaurant for people to come and dine because of taste. Thank you very much.
I'm here in 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗃𝗀𝗃 2024, and I would like to introduce you the woman who is actually working really hard towards promoting all the businesses. Let's have a few words from you. What do you think about tonight's event?
It's very good, and I feel really proud of the people and their awards, and I'd like to visit every one of them. Yes, very good.
Do you think that restaurants are actually good for the economy when they are doing well, making money, the country economy increasing?
I think they're very good, and I think they help the community. They're all, whenever I visited any, they're always very welcoming, and I really enjoy the food.
Thank you. A little bit about you, what do you do?
My daughter is the General Secretary of the Labour Party, so I support her really now. I'm retired, so I look after Lorraine.
There you heard the words from Lorraine. Thank you very much for coming tonight, supporting the businesses and relating to the
Good evening, everyone. I'm here with Saffron's team who have won tonight the 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗃𝗀𝗃 Curry Awards 2024. What would you like to say about tonight's victory?
It was excellent for us. Second award for us this year. We're very happy.
What would you like to say about the hard work you've done over the years, building the Saffron,
Obviously,
making a very...
Yes, it was obviously a big part. Customer service, well, fine dining restaurant, it's quality products, and everything adds up. Yes, definitely.
Few words about 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃.
Sorry?
Few words about 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Pay.
𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗃 is actually 𝗟𝗃𝗃.
Our company.
Let's have a few words. How are you feeling about tonight's achievement?
I just want to say we're very excited by tonight. This is our 7th award for the 8 years running of the business, so if anybody wants to do it, hard work always pays off.
Congratulations to you. Enjoy your victory and supporting 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃.
Right, good evening everyone. We are here for 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗃𝗀𝗃 Awards 2024. We have the proud winners of Vintage Restaurant. What would you like to say about tonight's victory?
It's my time going to say something. Well, it's an incredible honour to win this award. We've been here for many years. We look forward to supporting this event for many years to come. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you. Enjoy tonight's victory and keep supporting 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm here with the 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗃𝗀𝗃, a really famous restaurant team. Congratulations for winning tonight's award. What would you like to say? Who would like to speak?
Okay, thank you very much for hospitality and invitation. This is all our 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃 team. So we are working hard to keep our customer happy, and everyone order food from 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗃𝗃𝗃. We are working so hard. They are enjoying their food, so I am so happy, and thank you for our customer.
Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations to you. Keep promoting PayTap. Thank you.